statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Northern Virginia, Blue Ridge, Virginia. Blizzard warning in effect from 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. Saturday. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches. Winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour. The areas affected include Northern Virginia, Blue Ridge. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. Saturday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible. Strong winds combined with heavy wet snow will cause tree damage. Additional details: the combination of snow and blowing snow will reduce visibility below 1/4 mile. Blizzard conditions are most likely between 7 a.m. and noon. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. When venturing outside, watch your first few steps taken on steps, sidewalks, and driveways, which could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury.